banyak beg hari ni. Sebabnya kejap lagi aku nak ke E&O Hotel. Seat belt. Okay, let's go. So right now is 6:30. Aku perlu sampai ke E&O Hotel, which is dekat Georgetown, before 7. Sebab malam ni kita ada appreciation dinner for last year punya PBIM, which my company sponsored the blinds to run in the marathon. So hari ni aku akan show you guys courageous people, orang-orang yang luar biasa lah bagi aku kan. So these people are selected. These people are coming from St. Nicholas School. So kebanyakan student-student ni adalah orang-orang buta ataupun kurang daya penglihatan. These people, walaupun dia orang kurang daya penglihatan dan buta, some of them run the full marathon. Crazy gila bagi aku. Okay, jom. Traffic currently not that crazy. Okay je ni sebenarnya. Sebabnya time-time gini semua orang nak cuba keluar daripada Georgetown, tapi aku pula akan masuk ke tengah Georgetown lagi. See, aku cakap jalan dah clear dah. Okay, let's go to E&O Hotel. Right, we are here. Okay, here everyone, here, okay. Alright, ready, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more, ready, 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Ini Darren. He is the only blind runner yang berlari 42 km tahun lepas. And these kids are the guide runners from the Ramakrishna Asrama. Not sure this year they also, yeah? You know what? These runners, they don't see the bridge. Tak nampak pun the crowd. And they don't even see the finish line the way that others do. Tapi they want to move forward with so much trust to your guide runner. They trust the kids yang bawa dia orang. They trust their own bodies. Aku rasa trust that the next step they will be there. And I get to witness this. The guide runner actually muda-muda je. Semua still sekolah lagi sebenarnya. And what you see is something that beyond human mind. They are so focused. They have no fear, no drama. And all that they know, it's a responsibility. Okay, kita dah habis dinner and now it's time to go back. Let's get back to the car. Okay, we are on the way back to home. Melihat diorang tadi, it really flashback to the time that I photographed them back then masa Penang Bridge Marathon. So these blind people actually holding on pada tali lah from their guide. So the guide dia orang tu akan pegang that tali dan dia orang akan pegang the other end of the rope and they will be running together. Korang bayangkan ada yang masuk 42 km, jadi sepanjang 42 km tu lah dia orang holding on to each others. Meanwhile aku lari sedikit dah rasa letih lah, rasa macam nak give up lah. And there's a feeling of maybe next time, but not to them. Bagi aku, these people, aku rasa they don't negotiate with excuses lah. Dan apa yang penting sekali, they always show up. And when you are in this kind of situation kan, it made me realise that something that I don't like about myself. That sometimes aku ni confused between comfort dengan logic. Kononnya I'm being realistic, tapi actually aku takut susah. I'm not sure about you guys, but I feel that way. You know those runners kan, especially the blind runners they don't get to choose easy tau. Kalau main game, they get the hard level, tak adanya easy atau normal. So bagi aku, their passion ni very raw gila lah. Very honest, no branding, just performance. Top tier performance. Lepas tu bila korang tengok pula the guides, oh, it's very amazing lah. Muda-muda lagi dah tolong guide orang kan. Bagi aku itu adalah one of the gift lah untuk diorang ni. Bagi aku lah, in life kan, it's important that you get to meet these kind of people. People who are grounded in a good way. Maybe aku ni easily impressed. For now, aku rasa this is a good reminder lah untuk aku. This kind of thing that humble us down. Tomorrow, life goes on. Minggu ni aku kena drive to office, jadi the traffic will be my friend for this whole week. So, I think that's it for today. Sekarang ni kebanyakan jalan-jalan dekat Penang ni ada banyak cone, lots of construction sebab dia orang tengah buat stesen MRT kat sebelah ni. So, it's quite jam. The road closure quite a lot. Serabut, tapi itulah, memang itulah adatnya hidup dekat Pulau Pinang ni. Okay, I think that's it for today's vlog. Thank you everyone for watching. I'm not sure this vlog akan jadi panjang atau pendek, but I think it's a good reminder lah untuk malam ni. Okay, so I'll see you guys in upcoming vlogs. Okay, bye guys.
Dah habis vlog hari ini sampai sini. Jangan lupa, jangan risau, jumpa lagi esok pagi. Dah habis, jumpa di vlog esok.